Q1 of 2026, the top 50 cohort-based course creators on the internet collectively earned 32% less than they did in Q1 2024. Same audiences, same teaching ability, same launch strategies. The model itself has died, and most course creators don't yet realize what replaced it. Today I'm telling you exactly what's working and what's not in 2026. I tracked the public revenue numbers of 50 course creators earning between $100,000 and $5 million per year. I cross-referenced their launch frequencies, pricing, retention, and audience growth rates. The pattern is clear. Cohort courses launched in 2026 are converting at half the rate of 2024 launches. Refund rates are up 80%. The customer acquisition cost has tripled. Three things changed simultaneously, and they all point to the same outcome. Most course creator advice you find online is from 2022 or 2023. Build a course, run a launch, sell a $1,000 cohort, make $1 million. That playbook stopped working in late 2025 for reasons I'm about to explain. Stick with me at minute 5. I'll show you the new model the smart course creators pivoted to and why it's actually more durable than the old one. Here's what changed. Three things compounded. First, AI tutoring at near zero cost. A motivated learner can paste any topic into ChatGPT or Claude and get a personalized 30-hour curriculum, infinite practice, real-time feedback. The pedagogical floor has risen dramatically. The student no longer needs to pay $2,000 for the structure that AI can provide for $20 per month. Second, the cohort-based course commoditization. By 2024, there were 50,000 cohort-based courses available, most teaching the same skills. The differentiation collapsed. Customers couldn't tell which one was actually better. Third, the completion rate problem. The dirty secret of cohort courses was that 70+% of students never finished. By 2026, sophisticated buyers stopped paying for outcomes they wouldn't actually complete. The result? 32% revenue decline across the top 50, customer acquisition tripled, refunds up 80%. The model is broken. So what replaced it? 5 new patterns. Number 5 is the most counterintuitive. Pattern 5. Outcome guarantees, not curriculum. The dead model sold curriculum. 6 weeks, 12 modules, 8 hours per week. Here's everything you'll learn. The new model sells specific outcomes. We will help you ship your first paying customer in 90 days. We will help you negotiate a 30% salary raise in 60 days. We will help you launch a podcast that hits top 100 in your category in 45 days. The pricing is structured around the outcome. 50% upfront, 50% on outcome achievement. Customers pay more total but feel better about the spend because they only pay full price when they win. Solo OSPOV. Stop selling 6-week courses. Sell 90-day outcomes with money-back on non-completion guarantees. The completion rate goes from 30% to 75% because the customer's payment is on the line. Pattern 4. Done with you, not done by you. The dead model was group teaching. The teacher delivers curriculum to 30 students at once. The student does the work alone between sessions. The new model is high-touch, hands-on. The teacher works directly on the student's specific problem. Real review of their actual code, their actual landing page, their actual sales calls. One-to-one working sessions, not one-to-many lectures. The math, old model. 30 students at $1,500 each is $45,000 per cohort. New model. 8 students at $5,000 each is $40,000 per cohort. Lower revenue but radically higher completion, retention, referral. Year-over-year revenue is dramatically higher because the referral compounding kicks in. Solo OSPOV. Half the students at 3 times the price. Better outcomes, better testimonials, better referrals. The math compounds. Pattern 3. Async with synchronous unlock. The dead model required synchronous attendance. Cohort starts March 1, ends April 12. You must show up live to keep up. Modern professionals can't commit to that. The new model is mostly async with synchronous unlocks, self-paced video and reading materials, but to access the live coaching call, you must complete the work for that week. The synchronous portion becomes the reward, not the obligation. The completion rate. Async-only courses see 15% completion. Synchronous required courses see 30% completion. Async with synchronous unlock sees 65% completion. Solo OS POV. Make the live calls aspirational, not mandatory. Customers who do the work get rewarded with FaceTime. Customers who don't. Pattern 2. The community is the product, the curriculum is the Trojan horse. The dead model treated the curriculum as the product and the community as a bonus. Most cohort communities died after the cohort ended. The new model treats the curriculum as the entry point. The real product is the ongoing community of past graduates plus current students plus active alumni. Membership is structured for years, not weeks. The pricing, old model, $1,500 for 6 weeks. New model, $1,500 for 6 weeks plus $99 per month for ongoing community. The lifetime value is 5 to 8 times higher because customers stay for years. Solo OS POV. Build the community before you build the course. The course is the funnel into the community. The community is the recurring revenue engine. Pattern 1, the big one. AI-augmented teaching, not AI-replaced teaching. This is where most course creators die. They see ChatGPT and either ignore it, stay teaching like 2022, or panic and replace themselves with AI, kill their business. The smart operators do something different. They use AI as the homework grader, the practice partner, the always available tutor between live sessions. The teacher's role shifts from delivering content to giving expert feedback on the AI-generated practice work. The math. Without AI, a teacher can give meaningful feedback to maybe 20 students per cohort. With AI doing first-pass grading and practice, the same teacher can give meaningful feedback to 80 students per cohort. Same revenue, 4 times the impact, much better student outcomes. Solo OS POV. Embrace AI as a teaching multiplier, not a teaching replacement. The teacher's value is now the human feedback layer that AI cannot provide. Lean into that, not away from it. So how do you actually structure a 2026 course business? 5 rules. 1. Sell outcomes, not curriculum. 90-day specific outcome, money back if not completed. 2. Done with you, not done by you. 8 students at $5,000 beats 30 students at $1,500 every time. 3. Async content with synchronous unlocks. Live calls are the reward for completing the work. 4. The community is the product. Build it before the course. Charge $99 per month for ongoing access. 5. AI augments your teaching, not replaces it. AI grades practice. You give human feedback on what AI generated. This is the framework Solo OS publishes against. Every educational topic we cover assumes the teacher has shifted to this 2026 model. I made a one-page version of the new course business model. Solo OS Course 2 Blueprint, free in the description. Use it to redesign an existing course or launch a new one. Subscribe. Solo OS